We're starting with a lovely lot. It really is a superb watch. It's the vintage Gents silver Rolex pocket watch. We have an opening bid of £650. Any advance on 650? 700 is bid. Any more now?
750.
750 we have. Beautiful watch, beautifully decorated, lovely looking dial there. It is Rolex, it is solid silver. Any advance on 750? Fair warning. Sold at £750.
9598.
9598. Congratulations, it's a lovely watch. Thank you. Lot number 58. We have a very nice 18 karat gold antique ladies pocket watch with hand chased engraved back and decorative dial. Good working order. This is a lovely watch. It really is beautiful. Lovely work on the dial, and it's engraved all over, hand chased all over. 500 is bid. Any advance for £500? Fair warning. Sold at 500. Congratulations, lovely watch that one, thank you. Well, number 74. Well, we all know what this one is. It's the Hublot Big Bang Automatic Gents watch. Textured black rubber strap, stainless steel case. It's black dial with 3 sub-dials, skeleton back, comes with a box and papers. Beautiful watch, 6.6 is bid. Any advance of £6,600. Fabulous watch. You know the name Hublot. They use all the Hublot, all the foreign tennis tournaments and stuff like they use Rolex at Wimbledon. Are we all done at 6,600? Fair warning. Sold at 6,600.
398.
398. Lovely. Thank you very much. Goodbye that.
Lot 153, an Hermes decorative quartz ladies watch, and 450 is bid. Do we have 460? Enamel horse and chariot decoration, case 20mm width, dial white vertical lines, new battery fitted, in good condition and working order, comes with Hermes box and papers. Are we all done at 450? Fair warning. 848061, merci. Lot 185, an Amiga Speedmaster broad arrow automatic chronograph gents watch starting at 1700. Start me at 1000. Surely some takers for 1000. 1000 is bid. 1100 is bid. 1150 is bid. Do we have 12? 12 is bid. 1250 is bid. Looking for 13. 1350 is bid. Do we have 14? 14 is bid. Looking 1450 is bid. Do we have 15? Oh, was that?
15.
Oh, never mind. 15 is bid. Do we have 1550? Black leather strap, stainless steel case, 44mm, silver tone dial with 3 sub-dials. The current bid is £1,500. Are we all done? Fair warning.
36269.
36269. Thank you.